Welcome to Season 3. This is not a how-to channel. I'm still learning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm turning a Zen pen. That's the father to the Junior Zen pen. If you're not familiar with the Zen pens, I like these pens a lot. They have like a magnetic cap. This is my personal one. I like this one a lot. But as far as the Zen pen, this is a much bigger version of it, and it's for big hands. This is a piece of bloodwood. I've only turned bloodwood once before, I believe, and it's beautiful. So I think this is going to look really nice on the gunmetal gray of the Zen pen. So let's get started and see how it turns out. There it is, the not Junior Zen pen. This is just a plain Zen pen, but the wood is beautiful. Look at that chatoyance in there. Actually, you probably can't see it from where you are, so let's take a closer look at it. Okay, that chatoyance. Look at the chatoyance right there. It's got nice chatoyance in here and here. The bloodwood is not as red as I expected. I turned a bowl before and it came out super red. This still looks beautiful, and it's kind of almost orange and red with gold in it kind of look. But yeah, just beautiful. I use the Axe abrasive paste, even though it's not a food product or you're not going to be really eating off of it. I thought I'd give it a shot on a pen, and I think it turned out really good. I mean, look at the shine this thing's got. That's beautiful. Well, I really like this. I hope you liked it too. If you did, consider hitting that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and that notification bell. Thank you very much for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. And for this gunmetal gray kit, we're going to utilize this black walnut. Bloodwood. Black walnut. Where did I get black walnut from? Anyway, let's try that again.